Hello. We are going to do a little bit of research and write about another Greek god or a Greek goddess. Here's an example for us to read together. Poseidon was a Greek god. He was the god of the sea. The Greeks asked Poseidon for help in fighting against the Trojans. The Greeks believed Poseidon could make storms in the sea. They also believed he could shake the earth, making walls and buildings fall. Poseidon was also the god of horses. Some people think that the Trojan horse actually stood for Poseidon. They think that the walls around Troy fell because Poseidon made the earth shake. And there's a picture here of Poseidon. He's in the sea. He's in the ocean, in the sea, and he also is in charge of horses. What we will do is we're going to use some internet tools to do research about another Greek god or a Greek goddess. We will be writing a paragraph and answering these questions. What does the god look like? What does the god do? What powers does the god have? And then we will share our paragraphs. First, I think it would be a good idea to go to our school website. So our school website is glenbardwesths.org. Then on the upper right hand side of the screen, you'll find students, and then down here you'll click on library. Then you will choose the research database link, and this page will open up, and then you'll click on Encyclopedia Britannica and open up the Encyclopedia Britannica link. Once you open up the Britannica site, you need to decide if you would like to choose elementary, which would be an easier database, or middle, or high. And this is like a high school level of information. So you pick one. So you either choose elementary or middle or high. And then here in the search bar, you can look for Greek gods. Then you'll have a lot of different options of articles to read, and you could choose magazine articles. What else does this say? Primary sources, ebooks. So you have to read through the options and figure out which article is about a Greek god that you would be interested in researching. So finally you'll choose, right? You'll choose one of those Greek gods or goddesses from the Britannica website, and you'll read information, and then you will type a paragraph of at least 6 sentences in Notability or Google Docs. You'll have a paragraph like this, right? This is a paragraph all about Poseidon. You will write a paragraph about a different Greek god or Greek goddess. Don't forget to add a picture. So this paragraph had a picture underneath it. You should do that too. And please make sure your paragraph is indented. So this paragraph has an indentation right here. There's some spaces before the paragraph starts. And also follow the main idea and detail format. So the main idea here is Poseidon was a Greek god, and then there's details. So you will also write a main idea and then have details. It says here you should answer these questions in your paragraph. What does the god look like? What does the god do? And what powers does the god have? Please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck to you.